finished up going to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood. It's about 20 minutes from where my family's place is in Florida. And it's so nice because it's like a small slice of like Vegas mixed with like AC, but it's like nicer. It's like in between, not as luxurious as Vegas, but like nicer than Atlantic City. So we just did that. Got some like alcohol infused ice cream, and you can like walk around with it. Had their nightclubs there that we gambled a little bit. So, and there's a ton of restaurants of all different types of food. So if you're ever in this area, it's definitely something to do. They have a great sports bar. You can gamble literally everywhere. So it's a lot of fun. You can grab dinner, go to the casino, go to the nightclub. There's all types of people there. Everyone's dressed up. So it's definitely a good time, and would highly recommend doing that for a night out. So now we're going home and just gonna sleep because we woke up so early today and had a relaxing day for the most part, but it started off really chaotic. So just gonna wash up, watch some TV, and go to sleep and wake up early tomorrow. Morning, everyone, and welcome. So I am in sunny, beautiful Florida. Right now I'm at my family's place in Hollywood. So we're gonna spend a few days here and then make our way about 20 minutes down to Miami. The weather is absolutely fantastic. I'm obsessed with it. Every single time that I'm here, like the second that my plane lands, I'm like, I need to live here. So you heard it here first. I'm ending up at least coming here part-time, be a snowbird between New York and Florida. We just woke up and I'm a little tired. We had a really busy day yesterday. I didn't really get to record too much when we first came in, but I'm here. We're gonna have some coffee, enjoying this view. It's super sunny out, so maybe I should put some sunglasses on. So today I made a nail appointment. I'm gonna go take you guys to my favorite nail place that's around here. Last night we went to the Hard Rock Casino, super fun. Recorded a little bit of that. And today, yeah, we're just going to be relaxing by the beach. This is seriously like the best beach ever. Like a lot of my family members have condos like within this building or like that building, whatever, right next to each other. And everyone says that like it reminds them of the beaches we would go to in Italy where like our family is from. But it's just fantastic. And so I'm going to show you guys this area because maybe you guys will want to come stop by Hollywood. There's a ton of restaurants, there's a boardwalk, there's so much to do, and it's so like low-key, such good vibes. So hopefully this will be a place that you want to explore sometime soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna have some coffee, get my nails done, and let's see where the day takes us. So how savage is this? My nonna has this car shipped from New York to Florida multiple times a year. She doesn't have a license. Do you wanna know what it does? It holds her beach chairs. Spirit animal. So I'm getting ready right now because we are going to Carbone in Miami. we've been to this location before, but I never like shared it with you guys, like how it was and everything. Honestly, I've been to the one in New York. I've been to the one in Miami. I like the one in Miami so much better. So I want to see if it lives up to like the last time I went and the hype. So here's the OOTD. I got my Hermes H sandals. We have this cute little outfit. And I brought out the hoops and the high bun because I did not want to wash my hair just yet. So here's the OOTD. All ready for a night on the town in Miami. And let's go to Carbone. So this is the boardwalk. There's no boards, it's pavers, but we walk along the beach. It's like my favorite beach. And then all along here are the shops, restaurants, and the other resorts and such. Bike path is a place you can rent bikes, not just the other bikes that were shown before. And everyone's super active here. Everyone goes walking in the morning. A thing to do. So this is Ocean Walk. There used to be all these shops, like, let me tell you, there would be all these shops over here where you could buy like bathing suits and other things. So like I grew up coming here since I'm in the womb. So we would always go through here. There was like a little cappuccino coffee station with like the sugar on the sticks. So this is like where we would go when I was growing up. It's a little run down now. I think everyone's like trying to improve it or make something of it, but childhood nostalgia. A sweaty mess. So like as I mentioned before, there's like another coffee shop that actually sells like amazing empanadas and stuff like that. So when you're on the boardwalk, if you turn left on Pierce Street, you're gonna come down and see like a red and white building, and that's where the coffee shop is. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So these are like residences as well. growing up, we would walk this boardwalk every single night, and we would stop at this theater right here, me and my sister, and we would get up on stage and perform like little shows. Like sometimes they have like people playing some sort of show, but we would always go up on the stage and perform, and none of this stuff was here. All these shops that are here did not exist. 100% did not exist. It was way more deserved. Margaritaville wasn't here, Land Shark wasn't here, but what was here was Wings, which is what we got so excited for because it was like cute bikinis, bathing suits, and I know Wings is like a chain, so people probably know what it is, but it was like the highlight of our trip was walking to Wings and like hoping my mom would buy us something.